Hi guys, I'm going to walk you through how to make a really basic dressing, and then you can change this dressing up to endless, probably not endless, but lots of different flavors. So this is the one that I predominantly use. I love chilies and Thai flavor, so that's the one that I tend to gravitate towards too, but you can make it into lots of different ones, and there's a few on our website under different dressings. Okay, so basically chilies, I'm going to pop 2 bird's eyes in there. If you're not a real chili person, obviously don't put as much or any. Whoops, in that goes. I have got 5, 6, 6.5 cloves of garlic. I have got about half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 cup of balsamic vinegar, half a cup of red wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar. You can use plain vinegars. Just want to have raw vinegar if you can, not the normal store-bought stuff. Normal store-bought vinegar can be made out of petroleum, so yeah, just be aware of what it's made out of. Seeded mustard, I'm going to go 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Already washed coriander, rip the end off, 1, 2, and I'll put in this little half for 1. Some pepper, depending on, a little bit of salt, not much, just a little bit. Offset any bitterness is a little tiny bit of maple syrup, so you will see it's not even, maybe 1/4 teaspoon there. Xanthium gum. Xanthium gum is processed, but I use it in such a small amount that that's one of the things that I still use that's a processed food. So I've got about half a teaspoon, and xanthium gum thickens. Now we're still going to put in some olive oil, virgin olive oil, but that's not until I've whizzed it up. A small amount of fat is good for us. So I'm just going to whiz, give it a taste test. That's good. The sweetness just offsets the vinegar. Sometimes it can be really strong. And then I'm going to pop in about half a cup of good quality olive oil. Just going to stir it around. Check that. Yeah, that's good. And then I keep these bottles, recycle these bottles. Within only a few minutes, I have salad dressing. Easy. So like I said, you can change it up with lots of different flavors. Check out our recipe page on our web page. There's heaps of lot, but that's our go-to. You can change it up with the different mustards that you use, herbs, spices, fruits. Take you wherever your tastes take you is how versatile it can be. And I've got probably 1.5 bottles there, so that'll last us for probably almost 2 weeks. See ya.